3, 2, 1.
One word to describe green.
Environment.
3. Green tea.
Wildlife.
Flower. Universe.
Being green is about making choices that kind to the earth and help keep our planet healthy for everyone.
In the heart of every school lies a vibrant community of learners, teachers, and staff. But beyond the walls of our classrooms, there's an even greater classroom, the natural world. Protecting our environment begins right here, in the schoolyard. This is the story of the Guardians of Green and how small actions can lead to big changes. Today, we'll explore how students can start small and make a significant impact.
Hi, we are the Guardians of Green.
Being a guardian of green means taking care of our environment through small, everyday actions.
We believe that even the smallest steps can make a big difference in saving our planet.
Our first step is to recycle and reduce waste. By reducing waste and recycling materials, schools contribute to conserving natural resources such as timber, water, and minerals. This helps to protect ecosystems and reduce the environmental impact of resource extraction and production. Here, students are encouraged to reuse reusable containers, bags, and water bottles.
Hey girl, come over here. Did you know throwing rubbish can destroy our planet? Start by doing small actions such as picking up trash and throw them in the correct bin.
In summary, reduce and recycle initiatives at schools not only benefit the environment by conserving resources and reducing waste, but also educate and engage students in sustainable practice that can have a lasting impact on their behavior and attitude.
It helps mitigate climate change by increasing greenhouse gas emissions associated with energy production. Establishing a culture of energy conservation and sustainability at school promotes a long-term benefits. Jimmy, what are you doing? Why is everything still on?
Just having a big fun. What's the big deal?
It is a big deal. We are wasting a lot of electricity. Remember what Mr. Ling said about conserving energy?
Just for a few minutes. What's the harm?
Every bit of wasted energy adds up. We should be more responsible, especially when we know it better. There, much better. Come on, Jimmy. Let's do our part. It's not too hard, but it makes a big difference.
You're right, Super Saver. I didn't think about it that way. I'll be more careful next time.
It's okay, Jimmy. We all make mistakes. Let's remind everyone to turn things off when they are done using them.
How do you nurture plants and flowers to create
create green spaces in our school.
Let me show you how.
Let's go.
We can compost food scraps to make nature fertilizer, collect rainwater to water the plants, and even make seed bombs to plant wildflowers. We also collect rainwater to water the garden. It's a great way to conserve water and make sure our plants get what they need, even during dry spells.
Starting small has a ripple effect. By taking these steps, we're nurturing a generation that values and protects the environment. It begins here, in the schoolyard, with the belief that every small action counts.